Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by always. Okay, so guys, today I want to quickly share with us how to make simple 2 layers per bead necklace. Very easy, perfect for beginners as well. Are you finding it difficult to make bead? Watch this video, you are going to enjoy it. It is very straightforward. Have a look at it. Under 30 minutes you are done and you are good to go. Okay, it's very easy. Please do well to watch this video to the end. Give this video a thumb up, and if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I drop a new video just like this. See how beautiful it is. So let's get started. So these are the materials we'll be using for today's tutorial. So cut your fire line, not too long, okay? Pick 2 stopper and insert it into the line. Like so. Pick your hook and pass your line into the hook, the first part, the first hole, okay? And then work your line back into the stopper and pull it. Pull it tight and then close it. Then cut out the small part of the line. Very simple. So this is what you have. Now let's start the first layer. Pick your pearl bead, insert 10 of it. So this is 11. Insert 11 of your pearl bead first. Pick your divider, insert it. Then insert more of your pearl beads. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 and this is 11, and we have our divider. Okay. Now pick your divider and pass your line into the third hole. 1, 2, 3, the third hole, like so. Pull it. Now insert more pearl beads. So this is 8 pearl beads. 11, 12, 8. Okay. Now insert your accessory. Insert 1 stopper. Pull it tight and close the stopper. Close it very tight, okay? This part you have to make sure it is very close. It is well closed, okay? So this is what you have. All right. So what we did here, we are going to do it to the first hole, the first layer of this side. Okay. Pick 2 stopper, insert it. Pass your line into the hook, then work it back into the stopper, like so. Close the stopper, close it properly. Cut out the small line. And this is what you have, okay? So insert 11 pearl bead first. So we have 11 right here. Insert your divider. Then we have 12 beads after the divider, so insert 12 beads. So we have our 12 beads. Now pass your line into the third hole from this part. 1, 2, 3. Then insert it like so. So we have 8 beads here. So we are going to insert 11 to this part. This part is going to be longer than this. So we have 8 counts of beads here. To this part, insert 11. So we have our 11 count. Insert your accessory, okay? Insert one stopper. Pull it tight and close it, okay? And this is what you have. All right. So let's make the second layer, okay? Cut your fire line. Pick 2 stopper and insert it. Then work it back into the hook. Back into the stopper. Pull it and close it. So once that is done, this is what you have. Now, the first layer, we have 11. So the next one is going to be 12. We are going to increase it by 1 bead, okay? This is 11. The next one, insert 12. So we have our 12 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now pass your line back into the divider, the last O. Okay, remember we are just making 2 layers. So once that is done, right here we have 12. Okay, so we are going to insert same 12 bead, okay? 12, 12. So after inserting the 12 bead, pass your line into the divider right here, the last O, that is the first one, okay? And pull it. Now once that is done, we have 8 bead right here. Now insert 8 bead. Okay, this part is going to be equal. 8 bead, 8 bead, followed by the accessory, okay? So we have our 8 bead. Now insert your accessory, followed by stopper. Pull it tight and close it. So this is what we have. This is what we have, all right? So whatever we did to the second layer here, we are going to repeat it to this one. Whatever we did here, repeat it to this part, okay? So we are done making our necklace. We are done making our jewelry, necklace, okay, whatever you can call it, okay? So this is it. Very simple, right? So easy to put together. You can do this, all right? Guys, we are done making our simple 2 layers necklace or jewelry, all right? Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please do well to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the post notification bell. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.